Hi guys, this week I want to show you a site from the University of British Columbia in Victoria. Over here you have the site on the school site. You know, when you go to Plan Travail, you can have access to this. If you click on the video, you already know where is the link to bring you to this site. So it's called Wild Children. Okay, because it talks about people who have been raised in the wild or people who were wild. And we'll start with part 1. It's a reading, questions, a bit of writing. So let's start with this first part over here, timed reading. So for this, there you go. You are timed at the top. It's going down, so you have to read. And after you have to answer questions. So it's a small reading, but as you wish, you can do also other exercises if you want to have longer stuff. Over here you have words to fill up. You have to remember the story, put the words that are missing. Check answers, show a letter. You can always have hints if you want. Next exercise, it's here, it's a little reading. It's like some kind of interview. Romulus would have been a famous person. They want you to read the questions. The reporter is asking questions. You have to write. It's a writing. You can do it on a loose sheet. You can do it in a Word document. You can do it here and print it afterwards. But read the directions over here. They say that he's like giving an interview about his foundation of the city of Rome. So while I was swimming, they ask you to use past progressive. You can use also simple past to be mixed with this. They say at the top over here, write it on a paper, give it to your teacher, or type it on this page. Print it out and give it to your teacher. So you can print it from there, or you can take a picture, send it to me by mail. You can also send it, if you do it in a Word document, you can send it to me by mail as well. So there you go. And the last exercise, it's a crossword with hints at the bottom over here. And you have to put the vocabulary that is linked to the story. There you go. So if you go back at the top over here, you can always, you see Wild Children at the top over here, you can always go back there, click on it, and you have other stories, interesting stories. Guys, don't forget, if you're doing the project with the diamond necklace, it's due in a week for the questions. I put the date, the due date for the writing. You have to write another ending. And it's this week, it's Friday, the 5th. If you give everything on the 8th, on Monday, the questions, and you give also the writing, both, on Monday, that's okay, but you should not go past Monday, okay? That's the due date. So take care, be nice, go outside, call your friends, and do some English. Watch English series in English, for sure. Don't forget. Bye-bye.